the last time I cleaned my room, it lasted a few weeks until I had quarantine again. And that was in December, and it's the end of February, so we're gonna do round 2 of cleaning the big sad cave that I live in sometimes, and other times I'm literally just in here to change my clothes and go to sleep. So yeah, I'll do a quick overview of this complete disaster area. I've tried cleaning it up some, and like most of it's clothes, which makes me feel better just knowing it's clothes, large trash, and like Christmas trees I just need to put away. So it's not as bad as it could be, but there's a lot of dishes and it's really gross. And yeah, so yeah, let's take a look around the room. So starting at my door, we have the makeup area that's just came out of its area. Over here I have a pile of clothes and a box of clothes of stuff I'm trying to sell. Then if I don't sell it, I'm just gonna donate it. Just stuff, suitcase, my boyfriend's snacks, bunch of bags from cleaning out my car, box. This is like all clothes. Over there is where we start getting the trash and clothes. So Christmas wrapping, a bag of trash I already started, my lovely Christmas tree if my phone quits focusing. Then goes over here in the desk, and my nightstand are just ugh. Over here is not so bad because that's where most of that trash bag came from. And then my bed, my TV, long view. That basket's all socks because I wanted to sort my sock drawer, and then it just needs to go back in the drawer. But yeah, that is the overview with the Christmas decorations still up and everything. So we're gonna start cleaning this. guys, so it's been like 3 weeks since the last time I talked. I really want to get this done sooner, but I just did the last little bits off of camera just to get them done and over with. So I'm just gonna show you the current state of my much cleaner room. That's still a disaster area, but that's okay. And then front of the closet looks rough, but it's hung and it's done. Same thing with the dresser. I have 2 baskets that I need to do. That's a mess. That's fine. That's cardboard boxes, stuff. Got storage bins. The dishes are all gone from over there. So yeah, I mean, this part's still a disaster area, but I mean, I was just going for progress, and I will explain why. So I was just going with progress because I'm going to start packing to move. I'm probably going to be moving in like 2 months. That's the plan. Sometime in June. So I need to start packing, decluttering, decide what I'm bringing, decide what's my mom's issue, deciding what I'm going to try to sell, what I'm going to donate, etc, etc, etc. So I think I'm gonna do a few videos on decluttering my clothing collection, switching winter to spring and stuff like that. Basically all my clothes are done. That was the biggest thing. So it's like 3 months of clothes worth in here and like a month of dishes, which really it's been worse. Not gonna say it's great, but could have been worse. But yeah, so the room isn't looking all spotless, pretty, blah 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 blah, purely just because why am I gonna make it spotless if I'm just gonna pack everything up? I'd rather sit there, go through everything while I'm packing and go from there than like sit there and take all this time to reorganize, declutter while I'm reorganizing, because it's like a whole system in my head where I have to do everything at once, and there is no, you know, just do this, like just declutter. It's like, no, it needs to be decluttered and organized. So this is just gonna make it easier for my lovely little brain to process and get done. So yeah, that will be some future little videos. But yeah, thank you guys for watching me clean my 3-month big sad disaster. Yeah. Bye guys.